Japan and the United States can play a role in peace and instability in the Asia-Pacific, but this role should not be used for strategic encirclement of our close neighbor, China. You know, I'm writing a book. China and the Philippines lived very peacefully for more than 1,000 years until Spain colonized us, until America colonized us, until Japan colonized us. We have very good attitude towards China, but we were colonized by Western powers with strong anti-China attitude. And now we're having that attitude too. We want to go back to our shared past of peaceful coexistence. The South China Sea was not the sea that divided Filipinos and the Chinese. The South China Sea was the source of our connection, the source of our shared history, the source of our shared experiences. But that kind of history was distorted by colonialism.